Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video is a start of lecture series on topic arrays in PHP. This video covers introduction to arrays in PHP. What is array? Array is a data structure that stores a collection of similar type of values in a single variable. Commonly used terms in array are: number 1 is element. Element of an array is the items it contains. An array can contain one or more elements. Second one is value. Each value contains one value. Third is key or index. Index of an array is a unique number or a string that is associated with each value of an element. Number 4th term is length. The length of an array is the number of elements it contains. How to create an array? An array can be created using the array round bracket construct. It takes any number of comma-separated key value pairs as arguments. Let's see syntax format of how to create an array. $array_name. This is array variable. In PHP, to declare variable, dollar is used. How to define variables in PHP video of this tutorial is given in the description box. Watch the video to know how to declare variables in PHP. Let's continue with the syntax. How to create an array in PHP. Syntax is $array_name. This is PHP variable equals to array keyword into round brackets key 1 arrow value 1. This is key. It is also called as index. So this is key or index, which is unique. Arrow value 1. This is value, comma, key 2 arrow value 2, comma, key 3 arrow value 3, comma, so on, close of the array and semicolon. Here key, that is key 1, 2, 3 can either be an integer or a string. The value, that is value 1, value 2 and value 3 can be of any type. Let's see example. Look at this example below. Opening of PHP, $month. This is PHP variable equals to array keyword into round brackets. First element is 0 arrow in double quotes value January semicolon 1 arrow February semicolon close of round brackets and semicolon. Here 0 and 1 are the keys or index, and January and February are the value, and close of PHP. This is the syntax how to create an array, and this is the example to create an array in PHP. Let's see some advantages of PHP arrays. Number 1 is less code. We do not need to define multiple variables. With the help of array into one variable, we can define all the elements. Second advantage is easy to traverse. With the help of single loop, we can traverse all the elements of an array. Number 3 is sorting. We can sort the element of an array. These are the 3 benefits of arrays in PHP. This video will help you with arrays in PHP. Hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. Stay tuned for more videos on arrays in PHP. Thank you for watching.